Human resource HR risk management tools. Human resource HR risk management tools help organizations identify, assess, mitigate, and monitor risks related to the workforce. These tools support proactive planning and compliance, enhance productivity, and reduce the likelihood of HR-related issues like high turnover, legal violations, or skill gaps. Here's a detailed list of HR risk management tools grouped into categories with examples. First, we will take about HR risk assessment tools. These tools help in identifying and evaluating HR-related risks. Risk Matrix evaluates likelihood versus impact of each HR risk. Excel-based templates or HRMS add-ons. SWOT analysis identifies internal and external HR threats, built manually or in tools like Lucidchart HR audit, checklists, reviews, HR policies, procedures, and compliance gap analysis. Compares current versus required workforce capabilities, HR analytics dashboards, Excel, second HR analytics, and risk monitoring tools. These tools help monitor employee trends and flag risks proactively. HR dashboards tracks KPIs like turnover, absenteeism, hiring delays, Power BI, Tableau, SAP SuccessFactors, predictive analytics forecasts, HR risks like attrition or engagement dips. Visio, IBM Watson, HR Analytics, Employee, Pulse Surveys, measures engagement and detects cultural risk culture. AMP, Office Vibe. Third Point Talent and Workforce Planning Tools. Succession Planning Tools prepares for leadership or key role turnover, Cornerstone On Demand, Oracle HCM Skills. Mapping Platforms identifies skill gaps and training needs. Degreed, Edcast, LinkedIn Talent Insights. Recruitment Platforms minimizes bad hires and delays. LinkedIn Recruiter, Greenhouse Fourth Point Employee Relations and Ethics Tools. Whistleblower Platforms enables anonymous reporting of violations. Navex Global, Wisply Policy Management Systems, tracks updates and employee acknowledgement of policies. Converge Point, Policy Tech Incident Reporting Tools. Logs and manages workplace complaints, HR Acuity, Resolver, and finally, how to build a simple HR risk management system, DIY. Use Excel or Google Sheets with columns like risk description, likelihood, 1 to 5, impact, 1 to 5, risk score, likelihood times impact, mitigation plan, owner review, date review, monthly or quarterly to monitor trends. Combine with HR software like Bamboo HR or Gusto to automate data collection and compliance. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.